Today, we're stepping inside the world of IMAN GADZHI. You've probably seen the clips, the cars, the house on the Palm, the cold plunges, saunas, and late-night work sessions. But what most people don't see is how intentional his life actually is. This isn't just about luxury. It's about control, structure, and obsession with optimization. So today, I want to walk you through how IMAN GADZHI really lives. Not to flex, but to understand what it actually takes to operate at this level. Who is IMAN GADZHI? IMAN started his first online business nearly a decade ago. Not overnight success, not viral luck. Years of grinding, failing, rebuilding before anyone was paying attention. Now, at just 25 years old, he's a founder, investor, and creator, running multiple businesses across time zones while living in Dubai. And once you see how his day is structured, you realize something quickly. Nothing in his life is accidental. The environment. Why Dubai? IMAN lives on the Palm in Dubai, right on the water. But this isn't about status. For him, environment is a performance tool. Quiet mornings, sunlight on demand, minimal distractions. He talks a lot about how silence fuels clarity, especially early in the day. 80% of the time, he says, it's just stillness. No noise, no chaos. That space is intentional because deep thinking requires peace. Cars and success. Yes, the car collection is impressive. But what's interesting is how he thinks about it. He doesn't measure cars by how much they cost. He measures them by how much value they lose. Different cars for different environments, different tools for different countries. For IMAN, cars are enjoyment, not identity. They're meant to be driven, used, experienced, not worshipped. Fitness and discipline. One thing becomes obvious very quickly. Training is non-negotiable. His home gym isn't just about convenience. It's about integration. Instead of coffee meetings, he works out with people. Instead of sitting around talking, they move. Boxing, strength training, cold plunges. And here's the key idea. When he boxes, he laces his gloves tight, so he can't touch his phone. For 1 full hour, the world disappears. That's not fitness. That's mental clarity. Sleep and optimization. IMAN doesn't sleep like most people. He works mostly on US time zones, meaning he often goes to bed at 3 or 4 a.m. But instead of chasing hours, he tracks sleep quality, deep sleep, REM cycles, temperature control, red lighting at night, cold rooms, recovery tech. His belief is simple. If you're pushing your body and mind this hard, recovery becomes part of the job. Work routine. Here's what a typical day looks like. He wakes up around 10 a.m., starts slow, sunlight, cold plunge, breakfast. Midday is calm planning, communication, preparation. Then around 6 p.m., everything changes. That's go time. From evening until early morning, it's non-stop meetings, decisions, content, and strategy. Because that's when his teams are fully online. This isn't a 9-to-5 life. It's designed around output, not appearances. Mindset, the big shift. IMAN talks openly about something most people miss. For years, he was operating at about 70% effort. Still successful, still winning. But in 2022, something changed. He decided to give 100%. Not because he had to, but because he wanted to. That shift changed everything. His team works harder because he does. His standards are higher because he lives them. Leadership for him isn't motivational quotes. It's example. It's easy to look at IMAN GADZHI's life and see luxury. But when you zoom out, what you really see is structure. Every habit has a reason. Every tool has a purpose. Every routine supports performance. This isn't about copying his life. It's about asking a better question. Is my environment helping me win or holding me back? Because at the end of the day, success isn't just about money. It's about building a life that actually supports the level you're trying to reach. If you enjoyed this deep dive, let me know in the comments. And if you want more behind-the-scenes breakdowns like this, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.